Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to create AI-generated logos using MidJourney prompts. First, you'll need a MidJourney account and access to their Discord. Start by joining one of the newbie rooms where you'll enter your first prompts. While free accounts work, the paid plans are better since you won't get lost in the flood of requests and your designs won't be public by default. Before you start prompting, decide what type of logo you want. You can choose between lettermark logos, mascot logos, or emblem logos. Minimalistic mascots and emblems usually give the best results. Typeface logos can work if you only have one letter, but longer names might look messy. When crafting your prompt, clarity is key. Use the /imagine command in Discord and be specific. For example, if you wanted a logo for a fictional supplement brand called PowerPep, you could use minimal vector logo design for a pre-workout company called PowerPep with a white background. Make the mascot a deer with muzzles. AR 3:2. Include terms like minimalistic and vector to guide the style. Choose a solid background and specify a serif or sans serif font if text is needed. You can also tell MidJourney what not to include, which is just as important as what you do want. To get inspiration, search for logo in the MidJourney Discord, or check out prompt marketplaces like promptbase.com. Start simple if they're new, like logo for a t-shirt company with a cute mascot, and tweak it until you get the result you love. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on creating stunning AI content.